Okay. Yako.
So, Hot FM 93.9 FM is live. Your friend is saying a year or so for Kabana or switching. But we will be going live. Okay, hello. Kabana Owusu Ajima. Alright, Yes, Kabra, you do as you did, but I told my listeners earlier on, said your coded location. And also for Kabana Owusu J and an Opemino Ababeshia, Amenino Ebedin Komo, and it is a coded location. Once again, let me reiterate coded location, Kabana. Dabi. But Kabana, ma your phone joining you with Facebook Live. Isaac Dako Buama, Facebook Live. Isaac Dako Buama. We are live on Facebook. So, Ebia, one may doubt, sir, is it true? So for Kabana Jena on the interview Nampa. They will see him live on my Facebook wall, Isaac Dako Buama. Papa Timin chain, and a man summit and chain. Gagantua lady waha. Awal Sayyid Muhammad Wahanamo, and no Panicassia back also come home Hanamo. Okay. All right. Well, no time, but men now said, nah, yen my tear for Aquaba Biomra Hot 93.9 FM marching, Ejuma D. So. We are live on Facebook, Isaac Dako Buama as well. And I'm paying no Sabiedi can capture your tier for SM. We will be getting closer in a coded location with a year or so for Kabana Owusu Aji. Now, Gabriel, once I'm going to make a say, oh, the Kabana Owusu, and also for the Kabana Owusu. So, what's I say? 80 minutes. Oh, one side. Gara, one side. I could draw be a woman. A software, a word of maybe woman. 80. About your small cancer, but I was so for the offer of a jaw. And Yahuana, that's off one gap. All right. So, Sadia work a daily guide front page and banner headline said NDC prophet threatens to kill EC boss Jane Manson. Also for Kabra Jane for daily guide and you man pay. You bet the home come also for Hot FM 93.9 megahertz. Yamakwaba.
Mejamoso, Michiamati for so. Namia Sundi coming.
And there's who didn't counsel. Also for Kabra Jane and then Ekasai.
But your mere mini apostle Kabana Uswiti, Yana.
Oh, yeah, this is
Minya DC.
Who join the party then?
Main joining party.
Oh, yeah, sympathize on my party then.
Main sympathizing my party. I take instructions from Elohim. The Nyamebeka Saminian and Namiya. And my instructions now is to lead the NDC to victory. And that is what I'm doing.
And that is what Elohim has instructed you, sir. Lead NDC to victory. Also for Kabana.
Exactly, and that is what I am doing. And this is for year the end, so I will say it.
All right, but what threaten say obekum electoral commission chairperson as Daily Guide has an apply one more editor from play.
Daily Guide will be an himself Freddie Blade. Oh, Jimmy.
Oh,
can I on a second response? Oh, Jimmy. Now, friends, who is CPP? Now, call a friend, MPP, the chairman. Jimmy for the war. Oh, I'm a for Brea or party, who is CPP or by I am the chairman because Oyakufu are down for. Oh, said Jimmy Nekoswa Ghana. Instead of using the media space to do proper education, so near farm build their democracy, they use it to do policies. Men can't be as a Jimmy Mensa, easy boss. Men can't be. What I said is this: Jim Mensa, a radia being number who said, oh, fat a quite so, open some the Ghana fat quite so. Sa now take Ghana Fasuno, and the Bassa Beba, a Jabeto Ghana. And I'm a catcher, a medium who says, a Jato Ghana. Ghana for you, I be able to say, what, and I'm also because I'm paying for Ghana in there too. So also, dear Gabiochi, I can't have for the catcher, say, and as you will be the first to die, I saw it. Have I threatened her?
So, also for what evidence, where one here, shall I say, Jim Mensa, Gabia Social, about Kufado, and as of now, as you mentioned yesterday, that you keep reiterating. So I'm moving up Kushiaka and said, this is what she should do, and why.
Look, it's not news. Second is the point in the station. So, HSS Charlotte say, or Yashawuni, or the Tuna Cote power, now Yaba Umbe Charlotte say. Oh, it was all part of the agenda. John buy an open go for church or let 10 years and then no miss out of the and no darling girl abaho. Until when I call her a silly girl, me baby I'm if you're a girl and you're silly, you are called a silly girl. So I say until if she's a silly girl, that's why she's doing silly things. And I tell you, say Jim Mensa, you are doing silly, you are being a silly girl. Stop those silly things. Let's do what is right. Say the bear Ghana, you better into my pay fra. What's my did not him?
But
she
can sue you for calling.
So let her go to court and sue me for calling her silly.
Silly as in say electoral commission no would be anymore. So be new voter register. That makes her silly.
That doesn't make her silly. But you see, it is an agenda. Let me tell you something. You see, they keep referring to say NDC for access to data. No, until this time, what they want to do is control the register and make sure their people are more on the register than those of the NDC. The agenda is that they want to make sure NDC loses about 2 elections so that NDC can be turned into a CPP kind of thing. So they become powerless. If you want the richest man in Ghana, go to Furiata. You know,
this is the finance minister. So
no, I'm not talking finance. Okay. Me say the richest person in Ghana, the Ortega Nesika, so you're friend of Furiata.
Analysis ben there's some ben
Chroma Bank, Chroma Insurance, Sika business, Bia, everything that has got to do with Ghana money, Bia, it goes to Furiata and the group, their company. Data Bank and Co, they are controlling Ghana's finances today, whether you like it or not.
Wow.
It is the truth.
I'm not aware.
Well, I'm telling you, go and find out, go and take. You see that what I'm saying is the truth. So, you know, when I tell Jim Mensa what you're doing is silly, stop it. Because I know, so I be no can say two Charlotte say no me tuna. No man can say NDC for they'll make sure they'll lose 2 elections in a row and become like CPP. We've had majority leader or since I election raise area, NDC will never come to power again. It is an agenda. So what I say, agenda is now or Babisia, who say Udi now di to Ghana. Because when people are disenfranchised, do you know what is going to bring in this nation? Nobody's going to sit down for you to disenfranchise him or her. It's a jack, and a Baba Ghana. So what I say, you can't allow this. We're a small nucleus family. So my dream Bonnie Guta Muntino, I dream Papa Bia Muntino. Debbie Amos, sorry, and I can in Japan, or no, I am no Mamo, and then he does your spinning, he does your dirty work. Hey, I come let me tell you. Maybe she if you are so correct. So what I say, a Jimmy for it is a beginning. Oh, no. I take responsibility. I said I take responsibility for it. Me say I take responsibility for it. I said I take responsibility for it.
But he is a member of parliament.
So what? He's an idiot of a member of parliament. He is an idiot of a member of parliament. Oh, dear Japan, I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about Asen, Asen Central MP, who calls himself Honorable King in Japan. Who the hell does he think is? No, Fuso to me. You're bet me snap net 2. Out of that CID boss, out of that IDP. Go and arrest this, go and arrest this, go and arrest that. Or no, has he been arrested for the role he played in JB Dunker's death? Has Kenya Japan been arrested? Me say, I'm appealing to the American embassy. I'm for lie detector test in this year. Kenya Japan, I'm throwing the challenge to you. Also, here more reading. I need a lie detector test. Now you know cameras die so. Yeah, chef who is talking the truth. Let me tell you something. This Kenya Japan, when Asante for no planning here, so mo Kobi ejinem amananato. Na omakoyo mo nyan komate no. Now, be who are changing. And not changing the 1 year boy, Emma. Oh, this is May 2015. Yes. And Ocheng Momo Yabua, which is Nana to Mami, Ninia. Okoyeno, he was not accepted. And also JB Dankwebi or Tafo or filling station open another was simple. But on the Koyeno, the blood line, need JB Dankwa, it doesn't agree. But they wanted the JB Dankwa. Into this honorable JB Dankwa Juno, on no fee. JB Dankwa, the doyen, or finish Chocho Mucho, or the grand niece or something like that. It's to pay the Apega people, no? Because, like I said, and I've always said, the chief of Apega, Ofreta Wuyan no Kuno, and the Kukuakunan, so I say, say, Omo, this year, and Apega for so a bomb to ya. Some Sumuya, either. Until they had to go and pay the Apega people, eye for an eye, tooth for a tooth. But JB Dankwa was responsible until only JB Dankwa. And so they had this JB Dankwa and they killed him. And you know something? When he died, according to this boy who is in jail, why you tape me at them? Or say Kenya Japan is the sexy don't. Or say Kenya Japan was the first person he called Captain said Jumano Biden. Let me tell you something. He called Kenya Japan. Said Jumano Biden. Now, when the accident happened, Watchman security said they didn't know. On Yani Yana Hotel for the police for by 2 policemen came from East Legon. Then a relative also brought 2 policemen from somewhere when she was called to come in. There were 4 policemen there. Then DCOP Dampare also came in. They
don't see any boss.
Well, yeah, I think Greater Accra was yes, yeah.
No, yeah,
okay, Dampare, yeah.
Okay.
No, Greater Accra something. Yeah. Anyway, now listen to me very carefully. When this thing, where was I? Dampare came in. Said no, when the boy came in the pump. JB Dankwa no pana yeku which was about 2:33 a.m. And James now honorable Adi Amanye because he's the last person everyone. You are not a family member. Or say, Nana Adu Dankwa Kufuado. And they say, Omra Meshe, Assembly Siwa has no more money. Those were his words. And at DCOP Dampare, I walked out, a higher crime scene, a higher parliament, and he was walked out. He came and sat on his air, net 2, and told the whole world, say, police need be, and a friend and a party say, same way they see. It will do me kabaye. Hey, Kenya Japan, let me tell you. You are a good spring doctor, but you've picked the wrong address. My name is not Obinim. My name is Kwabena Owusu Ejeyi. Me kame nana adaka. Me nana sofumame kino dina efua debua ya na adaka wo muzama. Sesi amika se. Me kana mena Kenya Japan. He? Enra, what's it? CID for by the midjan here. Yes. Where did I run away? Before. Where did I run away? Where did I run away?
Before we go there, sir. Because someone can say CID for by one of the way trying CID for the BNI for national security no company I didn't run away trying let's say I was want to know if you company but I am in a coded location with you as we speak. Hot 93.9 FM marching and each media. The minute boy Madako Isaac, I'm here this morning with Awal Said Mohammed Nagagan lady or Hidden Wakas Boahin and a many of me and Sana Kabra Wusu, Kofi Mare and the Cephas and DJ Kobinuso. I was studio way back in Accra, Jamestown, a year Afro Towers. Now, yeah, so you will code that location of a you know, so for Kabana aiding come on. Say, Kennedy Japan should shut up.
He should shut his big, ugly, fat mouth. It stinks. Eh? Let me tell you something.
Because of the role he played in Jamie Duncan's death.
Not only the role, he is the Spain doctor in MPP. Assembly here, no Makofano, no Abetrao, no, no. Obini Mishu is just to divert attention. Okay?
Good morning.
Yes, good morning.
You're from National Security. We have warrant to arrest you.
Okay.
On the right.
Okay. Oh. Don't touch me.
My friend.
Don't touch me.
My friend.
Don't touch me.
My friend,
Don't touch me.
anyway, hot 93 on 9 FM March, please let us know. There are some people here.
Hey, how come? Hey,
From the
how?
security to arrest on a year, Papa, a year, Papa. Please.
Hey, no.
Please take your time, please. We are begging you.
No.
Please take your time. Oh, please.
How come?
That's what's happening live. Please take your time.
Hey, how come?
Go back. No.
Hey.
No. Let us also know because we are here with you.
How come, sir? Hey, no, this one there. No. Hey, how come?
And we are live here, and we are happy. Let us please know.
No.
We have to know if they are really from the national security.
We have to know. No. We have to know. Pick the numbers. 5666.
Yes.
56.
Another one.
Another car.
Also for you get the numbers. Please, yes, you got the numbers. So the national security has just picked the residents.
Yeah. Massa. No.
So please pick the other phone. Let's make a follow-up.
Yes.
We also have to follow up.
We have to go.
Okay, yes, we started the program with you. Yeah. And all of a sudden, national security has just banked in to pick a year. Your friend is saying, also for community. Correct. That's true. I'm also a lawyer. Okay. Yes. So I'm going to go for the two course. I will follow up the national security. Okay. So let me, please take the step up for me. Yes. So this is what has just happened. A year also for Cabinet Day. We were in a quantum location with him. This is what has just happened right now. A year also for Cabinet Day. If you that national security man pointed a gun at me, trying to stop me because I have to verify as a journalist without provocation. Exactly, we have to verify and know if truly they are from the national security.
Yes.
In order not to be held responsible, and this is what has just happened.
Yes.
Okay, so I want to tell us.
In fact,
I'm Beno. I'm the 3 cars. 3 VIP cars. Okay, 0544. Okay.
Baby, I want to know any idea. Baby, I can't be Baha, a coin. I said, I guess the new choir move fast from Mepimua. Menuka say, I'm on call as Kajere. Baha, you haven't seen any funny. I didn't come. no mo kan say e ya de o me de o be kasa e ya de o me kasa e bi fa e wa ye hwe de bia o mo de ne ko ye nya hu be bia o mo de ne ko de no ka se pe ko etuka na o ma ma ye hu be bia e bi sa o mo se o metimi o mo se be bia o mo de pe ni e ko na so ma ita se e ya de o me kasa se o ma be ko ita se metimi a friend lawyer na ta o bia o mo se o mo ma en friend lawyer me no ka se o mo de pe ni ko na so the national security he could again. ID card, just almost financial security, and I buy it. I'm not going to say, move for her. Some I'm not going to Pinino, and I am going to call. Yeah, but maybe I interview just a look at high education.
Okay, so about
we are live on Facebook, and where we are currently is a coded location. As we said earlier, we are not going to disclose the location to anyone because for national security reasons. Yes,
No.
You move from there. You and Mama Gaga move from the Bia Moses here. Mama and Gaga
Okay. I saw the amount.
No.
Barbara, me no ka say I feel what ya dey any ache direction aka ne fire no o ho na dey any ache sisi a ye hwe cause ebusafo na worried no mo chese omo nim be bia omo di hye na dey ekọ omo nim be bia omo di hye na dey ekọ nti omo so worried da omo so dey e person omo nya ka na omo dey fi ha na omo dey dey omo do omo ni ache be bia aka ne ko bia nim be bia omo dey ne ko so omo dey ne ko he na so omo dey ne ko he ye ade a yetime hu be bia omo dey penini dey ekọ nanso ebusafo no so ai bobo mo se me no ka say ometuka omo ye se senka bia na ifo no betimi na national security for betimi we na betimi mama come na meet you.
Yeah, woman, national security for everyone. No one actually asked me anything. They only got the we thoughts now about also for Kabila say Obi Ababa no maba ka ho show no ho. So we thought so we thought that person was going to be the panel by I'm not here the panel by joining. But it was unfortunate. 2 men, court warrant from the court. I said some mamachi a year also for Kabana AJ 80. They just banged in and arrested a year also for Kabana AJ. As we speak, Yeguso our the residence of a year also for Kabana AJ. We will not say his residence, but we will say we are in a coded location. We are in a coded location. Come on, let's go. We are in a coded location. That is where we are currently, and as we speak, we have speak to some of the residents, but some of the sir, one money so Ebekasa and hot 93.9 of and
So I want to be not organize obiase enya ade a obetimi no ere eno akasa nanso omuhu na esi ya no because omu de na nipa ne bi wa bonte baby ase me kire me pese me kire bia be nya baby a ka se obi ani ho ade amanfo ede ewo ho a edwede ni ade ede koso nanso mo kire se enya ade obi a ready so be de obe kasa na mo ma kire ni a esi ye eno mu ye emra ka ne ba ya omu si fom no ne omu ye ye enya ade obi a ready so obe kasa nsi ye wa ha a ye tu kasa na me no kasa ade ni a kire wa ye ko baby a ka no direction ka ne ede e fa ni ahwe se be hu kofo na chi kwan na se bibi sa me no kasa de ye ade a ebusafo no so etimi ehu baby a omode hye no ewo omo ankire baby a omo ye de omo a me no kasa egusu a ye de ye ko ya ye de mi ka ye de ye ko nti peni no ye ade a bi na be da security boy de abefa no kwa ye nim baby a omo ye sisu se omo abefa no kwa ye kasa ntwofo kwa ye ho a na ye interview no omo etimi ankire baby pot ya ye de omo de peni ni kwa me no kasa omo abefa peni no V8 baku mi ensa ene baku mienu ye black ena baku ye ash baku ye ash a ebefa peni ni kwa ya se na edi kan di tuga no ye de nama na tuga da cars na ebefa peni no ye di kan di nama na ye de atuga da me no kasa ye gusu a ye fi ha ye ko ebusafo na ye worry do mo chese nka bibi kwampo a omo ma accommodation no enfe no lawyer nanso national security for no ampene ma wan fe no lawyer me no kasa omo abefa peni ni kwa in fact aye nsem mebra ye gusu a me hwese me betimi efi enso ye pepe bia fa because enim the next way I ever say bia yankasa so omo abefa na say de ntimi ye de entra ye fi osisi a ye de ani a kire baby a ye kwa ye mpese bibi nti ye be kire bibi poti a samre ye de ye ko nti ye fi ho ai nam kwan so a ye ko na mom ye di kan na chi first ni ahwe baby a kan ne fa no se oho ye be ko ko to mo na say the traffic bi kwa ye be hu o man ti ye fifie ho a ye nam kwan so a ye de ye ko.
Well, I want to make a.
Metal come cobra.
Good. Quickly, move free area honum.
Cobra.
Follow up to baby and not car no air corner.
Cobra, me no can say you fi area mo wa.
You better get back to you guys. Now you didn't come or any information be about the Mayeno. I don't really know. Say now, I'm not the name back Blue Gate. I'm not the name called BN9. Police headquarters. We don't know. So yeah, move follow up. Now move through the we are getting calls here and yes now baby I'm one move through move stopping all the interviews and more yeah baby I'm one to now move through one
Pamela sena me di kan ade aye fifie wa ye di ani a kire direction a car no fire no se be to omo anase sena ti fifie wa ye dam kwan so aye fa direction a car no cars no fire a mo di peni no e ko no sa direction na ye fa se bia ye be hu omo na so ye gusu a ye di echi ye be pa be bia omo ni no kore ade ye di echi ade akohwe maybe omo di peni na
all right so Kwabena said okay in the FSC we are following up to the National Security and Secretariat office where are the baby house the National Security Minister to make inquiries and find out where actually you also for Kwabena J Wamodino akwafa so FSC no mo what be your car we are also law what now your lawyer etu Kwabena so mo.
Well, hot 93.9, 59 minutes after 8.